Look what we got here. Hot rod, my original kettle. Double duty today. Double duty. Yeah. I'm out here at work right now. It's close to 8:30 in the morning, so I'm gonna get some chicken legs in that one, and I'm gonna be grilling up some inside skirt steak on here, and also some what is it called? Sliced beef ribs. So yeah, I'm gonna be grilling on this one right here, and then I do have my Jumbo Joe, just in case I need to pull that out for some grilling. So yeah, just chilling at work. Yep. Damn. Yeah, so that's looking good. Yeah, so I'm gonna let that ride, get up to temp 300, over 300, and we're all set. Wide open for right now. We'll watch that temp jump. Season the chicken legs, dry rub right there from Salt Lick chicken seasoning. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Got the fuel right here. There it is. Look at that. Loaded up. Yeah. This kettle's loaded up with those chicken legs. Some beefy chicken legs. Man. It's going to be some good eating. Yeah, so I'm going to put the lid back on and let's get to cooking. Alright. Check it out. See this one. Yeah. I'm gonna flip this one around. Right there. Oh, yeah. Looking good. You can see I did clip it because I have a feeling that I'm getting a false reading on the thermostat of the kettle because it's probably hitting a chicken leg. So I have a feeling that's what's happening. But so I got that on right now, but it's reading way over 300 on the cooking rate. Alright. Let's flip them. That right there. Big boy right here. Yeah. Oh yeah, how they looking? How they looking? So a lot of legs. So there's some meaty legs. Alright, got them all flipped. Looking good. Looking good. This kettle's still going. And I fired up the charcoal chimney. I'm gonna get this kettle going. I'm gonna grill some fajitas. Yeah, look at that. 2 Weber Kettles. Just can't beat that. All right, there it is. Yeah, going right here, and then there it is. Damn. So 2 kettles at once. Oh yeah. Jalapeno poppers now. Oh yeah. Looking good right now. Look at that. Man, oh man. Yep. Continue on. Yep. There's the rest of the chicken. Looking delicious. Yeah, look at them go. Oh, gotta continue on.
I recall it.
Okay. All right, that was a good cook. It was a fun cook. It was chilly this morning, but yeah, you can't complain. It was ended up turning out pretty well with the weather. Warmed up a bit, so that's good. But it was a good cook. And man, those 2 kettles right there, fantastic right there, fantastic. So yeah, but food was good. Everyone enjoyed it. Chicken legs, man, there were some meaty chicken legs, but they came out fantastic. And you know, rubbed them down with that Salt Lake rub, and then the Salt Lake chicken rub. Some good rub right there. And then jalapeno peppers, delicious. And then inside skirt steak. That was also delicious too, man. And then the what is it called, the beef ribs. Those are delicious too. Just grill them up. Those are awesome. But yeah, it was a pretty good cook. And I gotta say, this is right here. This is the original one, first one ever. My dad bought me it. This is the curbside one that's now his hot rod. Yep, and I had Weber Jumbo Joe in my trunk of the car just in case I needed it, but no, I didn't. So turned out well, this cook, and I'm glad it did. Everyone enjoyed it, and I'll probably be doing this again whenever we get a chance here at work. But yeah, some awesome grills right here. Well, I'm gonna let y'all go. I gotta pack it up and head out, so my day's done here. Well, as always, thank you for by. Thank you for watching, and smoke on, everyone. Look at Hot Rod. Oh yeah.